How can I learn to use the DSDApp? In the DSDApp website, www.digitalsmiledesignapp.com, you can find the DSDApp Academy. Here we have full implementation of resources that you can use to learn how to use the application. First, we have DSDApp days. These are the days that we go in person and teach you hands-on how to use the application. We have several DSDApp days around the world, and we have some scheduled for later this year. In the DSDApp website, you always can find where is your next DSD closest to your home. We also have DSDApp Focus Wednesdays, which is a quick Q&A session live in our YouTube channel. We have DSDApp trainings for your team, where we go and train your whole team on how to use DSDApp, how to implement the application in the digital workflow for your practice. So this is a one-on-one training with your whole dental team. We have DSDApp exclusive masterclasses, and recently we added the DSDApp implementation course, which are live webinars in which we teach you step by step how to use the application. Please register to these webinars by clicking on the DSDApp implementation course link. Finally, we have the Facebook support group in which everyone can share their ideas, share their questions, and we post tricks and tips on how to use the app.